you ready to be wowed by a 31 feet long tiny house on wheels that will make you feel right at home? Look no further. This homely tiny house boasts a charming exterior with two-tone paint, a sleek standing seam metal roof, and craftsman French doors with a Smart WiFi handle set. The placement of the fireplace in close proximity to the sofa creates an intimate and comfortable setting, where you can enjoy the warmth of the fire while lounging on the sofa. It's the perfect spot to gather with friends and family and enjoy each other's company in a cozy and welcoming environment. Let's go to bedroom. Placing a bedroom behind a fireplace is a good solution. This allows you to heat important parts of the house at any time of the year. The queen-size bed is adorned with plush linens and pillows, creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. The warm and inviting decor, coupled with the soft lighting, creates a cozy ambience, perfect for a peaceful night's sleep. For your entertainment needs, the bedroom features a large TV, perfect for catching up on your favorite shows or movies while relaxing in bed. The dining area is strategically located near the exit, making it the perfect spot to catch a quick bite before heading out for the day. The wooden table and bench add a touch of rustic charm to the space, creating a warm and inviting ambience. The gas cooktop panel is a great addition to the kitchen, providing a quick and efficient way to cook your meals. The white countertops create a clean and fresh look, while the gray cabinets with gold-colored handles add a touch of sophistication and elegance. The gold-colored faucet adds a touch of luxury and glamour to the space, creating a stylish and modern look. Exploring the interior, you can see how every inch of space has been thought of and used to the fullest. This is a tiny yet spacious mobile home. Okay, let's look at the loft bedroom, which is lit by a lot of windows and fits a queen-size bed. Well, the most interesting, spacious, and important thing left in every home is the bathroom, a spacious and luxurious bathroom. Measuring in at just 36 x 36, the tile shower is compact yet spacious enough to ensure a comfortable showering experience. And with energy-efficient features throughout the bathroom, you can rest assured that you're doing your part for the environment while still enjoying all the modern amenities. The flush bath toilet is both practical and stylish, while the ceramic bath vanity with sink adds an extra touch of elegance. And with beautiful brass accents and a full tile backsplash, this bathroom truly feels like a high-end spa retreat. Our tour has come to an end. You are hoping to be inspired by the video and find an idea for your future home. Homes for Bright Living was with you. See you soon.